Time for Bella and I to make granola.
Yum.
Good with almond milk, good with smoothies, with nice cream. You'll enjoy it. Let us begin by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and putting our 2 cups of rolled oats in a big mixing bowl. Then mix in 1 cup of raisins, 1 cup of mixed nuts like walnuts, peanuts, cashews. Next, 1/2 cup of ground flaxseed, 1/4 cup of sesame seeds, and mix all that nutrient-rich, proteiny, carby, fatty deliciousness together. The recipe and ingredients is all in the description box below, by the way. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you dig it, and let me know in the comments what kind of recipes and videos you want to see from me. Onto the sugar, azúcar. We use 1/2 cup of sugar. This is panela, which is unrefined sugarcane here in Costa Rica. To finish it off with the spices, we got 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, a tablespoon of chia seeds, a pinch of salt, and last, before love and gratitude, is 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Mix it all well and good together. Spread the love, spread the granola onto the parchment paper, aluminum foil. Bake for about 25 minutes, and when you take it out, wait for it to cool, then it becomes crunchy and hard. Enjoy. Disfruta. Pura vida.